Kayla. Yo.
Okay, yellow.
Yo. It's recording right now, Kayla.
Oh, why are you recording now? Go.
Yo, this is the door. We're at the Hispanic College Fund, mommy.
You guys are OD dark. Go stand over there. There.
Okay, so we got bars on top of bars. Mommy, let's pass out these yellow bags. These are todas Spanish people.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck.
That.
Ooh. Nipple.
I can't.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, keep going. It's recording. That's what it says.
It's a nipple. Alright.
Okay, go.
Yeah. Cool, dude. Caliente. Dasani, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi. Woo, pancake from Crocs to Pepsi. Rockin' in Texas, rockin' in Mexico, rockin' in Texas, Mexico. A Spanish, you gente, a mente, like a fucking Indian angel, but he's black with curly hair. I'm not feeling it. Bow, culture. You heard that?